Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and we are here today with our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. We have now reached day 14 here, and here is our ornaments that we have done thus far. Yesterday was absolutely amazing. It had purple. It was the first one with purple in it, and it's this clear with some gray printing on the background, along with two different shades of purple. Absolutely gorgeous. So excited. So let's see what is in store for day number 14. I have been so tickled with this Advent. It is my first year getting a Crystal Art Advent Calendar. Oh, we did get the heart. Yay! I was hoping there would be a heart in here, and it looks like a pink heart. Day 17 over here does have a very similar heart with a similar pattern to it. So much fun. Oh, no, it's just an ornament. But it does look like a heart, so I'm just going to go with it. But no, these projects have been so much fun. I've done some diamond art before, but some of them are so big and they take so long. I just lose my motivation on them. And this has been just amazing. They are quick, fast, and simple. They run about 9 to 10 minutes to complete each project. And they are just a blast. So I highly recommend this. If you did not have an opportunity to pick one up this year, please look for it next year. I'm going to have to set a reminder to look for it because this has been so much fun. So this one looks like we've got 3 different colors here. We have a clear crystal, a pink, and then the gold for the top. And I'm using the little tray that was provided with the Advent. Those were freebies. The tray, the wax, and the tool, the pen to pick these up with were all included for day 1, along with an ornament to get started. But I use an electronic pen, so this one is air driven, and I have a little machine next to me. It is rechargeable, so I can take it along with me. It's just got a USB-C port on it. It does make a little bit of noise, so I'm going to go ahead and turn some music on and let you listen to that while I start crafting. But enjoy, and I will be back at the end. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Today is day 14 of our Advent calendar. This is gorgeous. At first, when I first saw it, I thought it was a heart. It does look similar. It is not quite a heart, but it is absolutely breathtaking. I love the pinks on here. Oops. It's got one shade of pink, the clear white gems, and then some of the gold ones at the top, but so pretty. And I love the little snowflake in the middle. So thank you again so much for joining day 13 of, or sorry, not day 13, day 14. Yesterday was 13 with the beautiful purple of our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. And actually, I do have some extra time, so I'm going to go ahead and record a video after this, organizing some of these gems so that I can use them better in my future projects on my cards. So come back later on today and see that video also. Take care. Bye.